isn't Little Haiti. Again, that's what I'm saying. This isn't Little Haiti. Across the street, it's a Russian. When it should be a black owned or a Haitian or a Caribbean. Trinidad, Guyanese, you name it. It should have been that. Next door is a Mexican. It should have been a black owned Caribbean. Right? Because if we're talking about Little Haiti, what's Little Haiti? Mostly Haitians. That's not the case. Because it's our pride that gets us. It's our greed that gets us. We're killing one another for money. We're arguing with one another for money. And the big picture is missing, where poverty, the condition that we're in. None of us are better. But we choose to fight one another. Oh, let me get $1. No, you owe me this. But you're missing the bigger picture. We're still in the same condition as when we was before back then. It's not changing. It doesn't change.